Hi guys, do you like to create a paper boat? Okay, let's get started. It's about time now. Let's decorate this. I'm going to decorate the boat with some teeny little spikes. Put it down in our boat. Then our next one, put some glue and stick that on this side. Our boat has two eyes. Boop. Boat is going to swim in the water twice. We finished decorating our boat. Is that eye? I think it's wrong. That's okay. Now we're going to float this boat in the water. Here I have a water bucket. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, alright. Okay. Woo-hoo. Let's put it over this way. That way. So nice, buddy. Boat is floating beautiful. Yeah. This way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.